Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see this is another perfect indicator on Boom 500, and this is not the regular indicator that you guys know. This is a custom. I have the whole settings with me, so if you are interested in it, then you can surely get this particular indicator. I want to explain to you how you can catch up a spike using this perfect indicator, and you can see that this is Boom 500 and this is also Boom 1000. You can see how the indicator works perfect on the 3 pair. This is also Crash 500. So let's go to Boom 500 so that I can explain to you guys and show you to guys how this indicator works. So we have our histograph here. We have our histographs of red, and we have our histograph of green, and we can see that we have our arrow on the chart, and we have our arrow on the chart. So how to use this indicator is very simple. When we have our arrow aligned with the histograph that we have on the chart, then this easily tells us that we are going for a massive uptrend. You can see when the histograph of green align with the histograph of green, then it's easily for us to go on a massive trend. You can see that the histograph change at this particular area. And we can see that our first histograph show up at this particular area. This is the first histograph, and we can see that our arrow also show up at this particular moment, and this is where to take our uptrend. This is where to catch up our spike. You can see the spike that is catching at this particular area. So your take profit will be when this histograph turn to red. Your taking profit will be when this histograph turn to red, like what we have here. And we can see that is the first opportunity. We have the second opportunity at this particular moment. We have this second opportunity here where we have our second arrow that appear on the chart. We can see this is the first opportunity for us to take a spike, and we can see how massive. Don't forget, it is 5-minute time frames, and you can see how massive it is. And this is the second opportunity. So I told you guys your closing profit level will be when this histograph that you see here turn to red 9. That is where you are going to be closing your profit. You can see that is how cool and how massive this indicator is. So this is how to use this indicator. This is not the regular indicator that you have. It is a custom. This is a custom one, and all settings is available if you are interested. So let me show you on Boom 1000. This is Boom 1000. You can see that currently now we have our histograph to be on green 9, which happens that we are expecting our arrow at any time. You can see this is a perfect opportunity for us to catch up a spike. This is where our arrow appear on the charts. You can see that, and it go on the massive spike entry. It go on the massive spike level, and this still continue until we have our red 9 that appear at this particular area. That is when we are going to be closing this particular trade. And when we check the back, when we look at the back, we can see that we have another opportunity for downtrend here. This is the first opportunity on red histograph, and we have the second opportunity on red histograph. You can see that it go aligned until we have our green histograph. This will be our closing entry level. So this is how the indicator works, and also it also works on Crash 500 on 5-minute time frames. You can see the histograph. You can see the two histographs that align with our current green histograph at this particular level. You have the one here. We have the second one at this level, and we are going to be closing it when we have the red. You can see the red 9 is coming up now. This will be our closing level entry. So that is how to make use of this indicator perfectly. We have another one here. This is the red 9. You can see the histograph around this place. So this level is very accurate and perfect. So if you want this indicator, it's very simple. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to this indicator with all these settings. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.